Hi everyone! Welcome back to Word Wonder. In our last vlog about Korean language learning, we tackled verb conjugation. Super important, right? But here's the thing. Even if you say the right words, how you say them matters just as much. So today, we're diving into Korean politeness levels. Because trust me, you don't want to accidentally sound rude to your boss or overly formal with your bestie. So, let's get started. There are three main politeness levels in Korean. The first one is formal or 존댓말. It is used in workplaces, public settings, and talking to elders. Number two, polite or 해요체. It is used in daily conversations with strangers, acquaintances, and colleagues. And number three is casual or panmal. It is used with close friends, family, and younger people. Here are 10 verbs conjugated in formal, polite, and casual levels. Number 1. To go or gada. Formal, 갑니다. Polite, 가요. Casual, 가. Number 2. To come or oda. Formal, 옵니다. Polite, 와요. Casual, 와. Number 3. To eat or 먹다. Formal, 먹습니다. Polite, 먹어요. Casual, 먹어. Number 4. To see, 보다. Formal, 봅니다. Polite, 봐요. Casual, 봐. Number 5. To do or hada. Formal, 합니다. Polite, 하요. Casual, 해. Number 6. To drink or 마시다. Formal, 마십니다. Polite, 마셔요. Casual, 마세요. Number 7. To sleep or jada. Formal, 잠니다. Polite, 자요. Casual, 자. Number 8. To give or 주다. Formal, 줍니다. Polite, 줘요. Casual, 줘. Number 9. To buy or 사다. Formal, 삽니다. Polite, 사요. Casual, 사. And number 10. To read or 읽다. Formal, 읽습니다. Polite, 읽어요. Casual, 읽어. Here's a key tip. Formal speech in Korean commonly ends in 습니다 or 습니다. It shows maximum politeness and professionalism. Polite speech in Korean ends in 요, which makes the sentence sound softer and more respectful. It is most commonly used in public and daily interactions. While casual speech in Korean ends in the verb stem without extra endings, can sound rude if used incorrectly, so only use it in comfortable situations. And that's it for today's lesson on Korean politeness levels. Now you know when to use formal, polite, and casual speech. Keep practicing and you'll sound more natural in no time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Word Wonder for more Korean language tips. See you in the next lesson. Annyeong!